What is a USB drive? A USB or flash drive allows you to save files and take them with you wherever you go. Flash drives have different amounts of memory, or storage space. You can store larger files on ones with more memory. Photo and video files generally take up more space than written documents. It's important to know that flash drives look different. Some look like this, or this, but they all work in the same way. Just check and make sure that the computer you want to connect your flash drive to has a USB port. These ports are rectangular slots found on the sides of your computer. The key to connecting your flash drive is to fit the metal tip into the slot. Do this carefully, and if it doesn't fit, try flipping it over. When the devices are connected, a system notification will appear on your computer screen. Click on the notification, and from here you can open the file saved on your USB drive. To learn more about computer basics, check out our free tutorial on our website, gcfglobal.org. We hope to see you there.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.